Welcome along to Flow Friday. My name is Matt Kesby, Chief AI Officer and Group CEO of MultiPlai.tech. Today is a special Flow Friday edition. It's actually a pre-recording. Normally these are happening at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time every Friday. However, this Friday, we've actually got our Innovate conference, which we bring our development team. There's going to be about 80 developers here in our headquarters here in Cebu in the Philippines. And we get together to ideate on the latest updates that are coming in AI. So this Innovate conference is all about speech. So Speak the Future is the theme for this one. The next one will be about vision. And all of it is so that we can bring the latest in AI into our platforms, our tools like Raya Pro, our no-code AI agent builder, the reason that you're here today, so we can build some flows together, as well as all of our other products from MultiPlai.tech as well. Now, this session here, or every session that when we get together, I recommend you have two screens, one so that you can watch the video, or if it's on Zoom, if you're a current paid member of Raya Pro, you can get into the Zoom sessions, or alternatively the live streams that'll be happening on YouTube as well. Two screens are great. One screen for the video, one screen for the work that you're doing. The workshop style is it's slowed down so that you can follow on and build with me as I progress forward. And there's all the documents that you need, the swipe files to help you along the way. And this session today is actually on building an AI agent for a sales video. So you've got a website with a sales video to actually embed an AI agent there so that your customers can chat to that AI agent about the content in the video. As always, as a reminder, I should say, is that we'll be covering the 7 key pillars of business with AI agents as we progress each week, so you can continue to build out flows for your business, covering areas like marketing, sales, product and service delivery, operations, IT, finance, and HR. And then some weeks we'll even get into some industry-specific ideas as well. Now, it's really useful to start creating a roadmap for your AI goals and the roles in the organization, and think about these 7 key pillars of business and start giving yourself some implementation plans to put these into place. Now, we'll have another series just on how to do your roadmaps as well as your implementation plans, but today let's get hands-on. Here's the plan. Putting in place a 3-step sales funnel where there's a sales video on each page, and there's an AI agent that's embedded for each page that has the specific knowledge about that video and can answer any questions along the way. I've taken a sales presentation that I've created recently for another one of our organizations and did the recording today. We've transcribed it, and we're going to use that transcription to help ground that agent with the knowledge. So this one here, we've got everything you need to create this one, and this is what the output will look like. So although we won't be building web pages today, I will show you how you can embed these. But the outcome is to have the sales video on the page, and then have the AI agent there so that any questions about that video can be asked, and the AI agent's going to give those answers. You'll see how simple and fast this is to do. So let's head on over to Raya. Now, Raya actually stands for Results Enablement Assistant. Isn't that interesting? Just in case you didn't know that. Now, we're going to build out our agents first. We're just going to do 2 of those sales pages. So we'll build 2 agents today. You could do the third. I haven't finished the third video, so that's why we're not doing the third agent. And in our swipe file, which you'll see in the links below, you'll see the 3 files here. The first one is our instruction file for today, to create an AI agent that embeds on your website and allows users to ask questions to the AI agent based on the content in your video. There's 2 agents. So the first one will be website sales page video agent. And the task it's given is to answer any questions on the business and the content of the video. If asked a question regarding pricing, thank the user and for their question, and share that this will be revealed in video number 3, and ask the user to enter their details to move on to proceed to the video 2. So the idea here is that we're not going to reveal the pricing until the 3rd video. We're going to get to understand the content first. We'll test that out later. Video 2 essentially does the same thing as well. So nice and simple for us today. So you may like to just copy that name there and we'll go over and we'll create our create the first of the two agents today. You can paste that in, or you can give it whatever name you like, and we'll give it an icon. It is sales, so let's give it a bit of a money icon. That looks like fun. And once that emoji is in place, we can write the goal statement. Oh, pardon me, let's add a category for sales, and let's write the goal statement using AI. Just a reminder that currently you'll need to connect your OpenAI account, so your API keys will need to go in for the generation to occur. Let's create a backstory. Oh, let's read that now. So as a website sales page video AI agent, my primary goal is to captivate and engage potential customers through compelling presentations. I'm responsible for delivering clear, persuasive, and dynamic content that highlights our product or services, unique benefits, and so forth. Cool. So we're in the right place. You can further prompt that. Remember, as you're creating these, you're becoming a flow engineer, and one of the underlying skills is prompting. Although the AI prompts very well for us, and we're just going to continue through, generate some base instructions. You can add to those base instructions as well. And for example, this particular one is around when it answers questions, we want to ensure that it's not going to give away sales pricing yet, and it will prompt the user to go on to the next video. Now you've got a couple of options there. You could add that in here, or I've actually added it into the knowledge article that we'll upload in a moment. You can choose your tone of voice. I'm going to use persuasive and influential for the first video. We'll now create that agent. You can keep it private just for you, or you can share it to your organization as well. You don't need to press public. That's a feature coming soon, because when we take this agent public, we're going to embed it using this embed script onto a WordPress website. What we do need to do at this point though is give the agent some knowledge, which will be the transcript from the videos. So there's two videos. We've uploaded them to YouTube, but actually I also uploaded them to Loom. And the reason why I uploaded them to Loom was to automatically get the transcript. Now soon you'll be able to upload a video to Raya and have it transcribed. For now though, you can do that. Loom is a really great way to do it. And let me show you that. Now we'll give the knowledge to the AI agent by uploading the transcript from a video that I recorded earlier today. Now here's the video from earlier today, and to get a transcript I like to upload to Loom and then simply select the transcript option and select copy and then paste that into a Word document. Now soon you'll be able to upload your video to Raya, and actually it will do the transcription for you, but for now we'll use this method. So let's go back to Raya. We'll upload the document that's available in your swipe file, or you could have it in your SourceWiki or OneBrain or OneDrive as well. Soon you'll see Google Docs will be there, or Google's Drive also. So let's upload from the PC. We'll select that first file. Okay, and with that there, or you can drag and drop it in as well if you like to do it that way. And then we will publish that agent. Fantastic. And now you can test it. Okay, so this is our website sales video AI agent. We can go to the chat. Remember, if I'm going a bit fast today, you can simply pause the video along the way. Just search for that agent. Right down the bottom, there it is. And my test here is asking a question about pricing. So imagine this is on the website. Can you please tell me about the pricing of the products and services? Now what it's doing is it's actually referring to the document that I've uploaded, as well as its prompting. So thank you for your question, Matt. The pricing details for our production service will be revealed in video 3. I recommend progressing to video 3 to get the comprehensive information you're looking for. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Well done. Okay, that's simple. And of course you can add other information in as well about your business and so forth. So let's now go and look at what's required to put that agent onto our website. We'll go to sales as that category that we saved before, and it's website sales page video 1. When we go and edit that agent, you'll notice from before the embed code. Now, all you need to do is copy that embed code. Now, if you're comfortable working with WordPress, then you can do this next step. Alternatively, you can give this to your web developer to go and add the code in. So let's have a look. I've pre-recorded a video on how to do this next step with WordPress. Let's have a look at this one. So first thing you do, I'll turn that audio down, is to copy the code. So on that agent, you'll copy the embed script here. You can either highlight and copy or just click copy. And then over on WordPress, add in some HTML script. So we use a page builder here. So we just drag and drop a HTML block in, paste in that code. And once that's there, you're going to update that. And with that updated, we can view the page. And the AI agent chat widget will appear on the bottom right-hand side. And now you can interact with the chat widget. And there it is. It's that easy to do. How fast is that? And you can start interacting with it. So really, that's what all you need for today. But just for fun, let's go and build the second agent, because that's what we've got in our process today. So we'll go back to our agent. We're going to build the new agent. And this one from our swipe file again, we'll go on to the second agent, which is website sales page video 2. And we can give it a name, give it an icon, which is our money icon, show us the money because it is a sales page. And we'll then from there add the category, there we go, and generate the goal statement. And as always, you are the human in the loop, so you can further prompt these, you can adjust it. Now, as a flow engineer, it's always important to be testing your work. In this case, you're going to be acting like a client that would be interacting, and ask it some questions and see how well it behaves and performs. And you can always add more prompting, make the adjustments. You can also, when we get into this zone of where we will be embedding the knowledge, essentially, we'll be grounding it with the document of the transcript for that video so that the agent understands what's in the video. You can always go and edit that further. Like one thing that I'm going to do with these particular agents is add more information about the products and services for the Business Go team, which is our AI-powered people outsourcing company. We'll be adding more in there, so someone wants to ask questions about the products and services, they can. So let's now go and add the second transcript, which is number 2 in your swipe files. Open that. That one's added there. Now what's happening here is that particular document is being converted into a vector, so into numbers, and then that way the machine can understand it more easily. So we're using a vector database in the background here on our AI agent. So we're going to publish that one, which is number 2. And how about we have a look at the final product? Because now all you need to do once again is just embed that script on your next sales page, and then it'll be done. But let's go and check out the final product. Let's see if I've got it here for us. And here's our second page. And so you can go and check these out. You can even have a play with ours as well if you like. What I recommend you do is just in your own WordPress site, build these somewhere that's not going to be crawled by SEO, but have a play with it. If you like those videos that we've got, so you can embed those in, I'll add the links to those as well so you can check them out. Well done. What a great job you've done today. You've built out 2 AI agents. You've got your embed code, so you can put these onto your website. And all going well, you can now go and emulate this whole process for your business. Set yourself up a sales funnel to help educate your clients, knowing that you'll have your AI agents there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to be able to interact with your clients as a result. Now, because you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you also like and subscribe and turn on the notifications button so you can be updated with all the live stream events, all the latest videos that we're producing here. There's a lot more on our YouTube channel now, and also coming above and beyond just the AI agents. So you've also got to opportunities to learn about the AI interviews that we have, our interview room, and many more products that are coming out to help give you incredible results. In fact, multiply your results within your organization. So well done. Your Flow engineering career is definitely taking off. Be sure to stay tuned. 11 a.m. Fridays, Australian Eastern Standard Time, each week we'll be releasing either live, you can join us in Zoom sessions if you're a paying member of Raya Pro, and for those that just learning, you can either still join a live session via the live streams on YouTube, or check out any of our videos as we continue to build out all the different flows you're going to desire to have in your organizations to multiply results. See you in the next session. Bye for now.